Have you ever been alone in your room and suddenly heard footsteps, a floor creak, a faint movement even though no one is there? Before you jump to ghosts, spirits, or horror movies, psychologists and neuroscientists say this experience is actually very common, and the reason behind it is much more scientific than supernatural. Let's break down why you hear footsteps when you're completely alone. Number 1. Your brain fills in missing information. Psychologists call this auditory pareidolia. Just like how we see faces in clouds, your brain sometimes hears patterns that aren't real. When the environment is quiet, the brain becomes more sensitive. So tiny sounds, a house settling, air moving, wood expanding, get misinterpreted as footsteps. Your brain isn't trying to scare you. It's trying to make sense of random noise. Number 2. Your survival instinct activates. Humans evolved to detect danger through sound. For thousands of years, hearing footsteps meant a predator or another human. So even today, your brain treats every small noise as a possible threat. This activates your hypervigilance system, the part of the brain that whispers, "Stay alert, something might be there." Most of the time, nothing is. Number 3. Your house is alive with micro noises. Even a perfectly quiet house makes dozens of sounds every hour. Wood expanding or contracting, pipes cooling, wind pressure shifting walls, objects settling, temperature changes causing cracks, appliances clicking inside. Your brain often turns these into footsteps, shuffles, tapping, or movement, especially at night. Number 4. Stress and lack of sleep amplify sounds. When you're tired or anxious, your hearing becomes more sensitive. Studies show that the brain in a stressed state detects patterns more aggressively. That's why every creak sounds louder, every tap feels closer, every small noise turns into movement. Your mind is not creating danger, it's responding to stress. Number 5. Memory and imagination fill the silence. If you've ever watched horror, crime videos, or scary stories, your brain remembers them. At night, when everything is quiet, the brain pulls those memories up and exaggerates normal sounds. This is called memory-triggered perception. Your mind completes the scene even when nothing is happening. Conclusion. So the next time you hear footsteps while you're alone, remember, you are not being watched. You are not in danger. You are not going crazy. Your brain is simply doing what it evolved to do, protect you by paying extra attention to every sound. If you enjoy learning why your mind behaves this way, hit subscribe, because here we turn psychology into understanding.